Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Ossian, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move is a move whereby your current address and your destination are more than 50 miles apart. If you're moving within the same state, it is an interstate move. Moving across state lines is an interstate move. 3 Movers has licenses to execute intrastate and interstate moves. Our long-distance moving services are the best you will find in Ossian and beyond. We are fully registered under state and federal authorities in charge of relocation, so we encounter no issues on the different routes and highways when moving your belongings. Our movers are experienced and cautious when handling your belongings. Also, our trucks are well maintained, and they have put insurance coverage in place for all your belongings in case of any risks. Local moves cover a distance of fewer than 50 miles. If you are in Ossian and want to move your belongings without stress, you should reach out to us. Our customer care agents are always available and happy to respond to your inquiries. We are also offering affordable local moving services. For moving labor, we charge as low as $30 to $40 per hour. Ask around about our services and you will hear only pleasant accounts. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Ossian moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.